Hi everyone, it's Cosmin, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the richest double chocolate chip cookies you ever had. So let's get to it. In my mixing bowl I have 100 grams of softened butter and 120 grams of erythritol. Cream these together until you get a grainy paste. Incorporate the first egg before adding the second. When the eggs are fully incorporated, sift in 120 grams of cake and pastry flour, 30 grams of Dutch processed cocoa powder, 10 grams of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. First, fold in the dry ingredients into the wet, and then mix and press until you obtain a tough and sticky dough. Now add 150 grams of chocolate chips and mix them into the dough. I like to use an ice cream scoop to pre-shape the dough. With your palms, shape the dough into a ball and place it on a sheet lined with parchment. Leave some space between the dough balls to allow the cookies room to expand. Bake the cookies at 160 Celsius for 25 minutes. Chocolate all the way. I really hope you give this a try, and let me know how they turn out for you.